How to log out of the Wise app. If you'd like to log out of the Wise application, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Wise app, and this is the type of interface that you will be able to see right here. Now once you launch the Wise app, and what you want to do from here is, if you want to log out, currently you can see I'm logged into my account, you can see card and other options as such. Tap on the profile icon located at the top left corner, and right here if you scroll under general, you can see this option that says logout. So you can just tap on it. It will ask you for a confirmation if you do want to log out. So yes, after you've done that, you'll be successfully logged out. Now after that, if you want to re-log in, you can go ahead and then directly re-log into your Wise account as well, as you'll be able to see. So this way you should be able to log out of the Wise account. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.